Everything big, oh you fancy, huh?
Girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the vlog. Right, it's Monday and I got so many things to do, but I just want to neglect my responsibilities. Yeah, bad here today. I just want to neglect my responsibilities and go to the beach, but I can't do that. I have one client, so after her I'm gonna try to head to the beach and just chill out. And I don't even know what time I'm gonna get done, but that's the plan for today. Okay, so I'm done working and I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I still want to go to the beach, but it is a little bit 2-7. But I wanted to like go chill out, you know, take a salad or something, but I have to go to the beach tonight unless storm all day. So I'm yearning for that environment. So yeah, let's head to the kitchen real quick, see how fast we can whip up the salad and head to the beach. I want to take a nap, I want to do it outdoors, and I want to do it on the beach. Wait, like, let's go. Okay, so we got some kale and I'm gonna try to prepare it real quick. Oh, I may have to go to the beach and come back for the salad because sis. So that's it. So it's now officially nighttime. Night catch me, but I'm still going. Salad done, and I just changed my shirt real quick, and now we're gonna head out because I don't know why I want to go that much. Maybe the alien them will call me, but we're gonna see what I gotta say. So guys, I made it to the beach. I don't know if you can hear it. It sounds pretty rough out there, so I'm definitely not gonna be going out there. Sounds so rough. Like I can see the waves. Oh, it's definitely rough. I can see the waves crashing in from right here, but I'm just gonna be chilling out.
The next day.
Good morning. So it is Tuesday and it's gonna be a pretty busy morning and then a chill afternoon, evening, and then it might be a work night. Let's see. I'm gonna leave that to just flow. So right now I got 2 clients, and then after that I'm gonna get to finishing the bathroom countertop. Yeah, so let me get to the money, get this work, and then we get into, and then I show you, because am I gonna do a separate video detailing how I do the stuff? Yeah, I might just do that, but still, that's on the roster for today. Finishing the countertop, watching movies with my clients. I might do my hair, and gosh, we gotta do something about this lashlessness that's so ghetto. So be right back. Okay, YouTube, play with somebody else. Don't play with me, okay? Yeah, it's me again. Tired, no, burnt out, hungry. But the next thing is finishing the countertops. I don't know, well, countertop, I don't know how long that's gonna take. I hope it don't take too long, because like movie time is around 4:30, I think it's a little bit after 3, but how long can it possibly take to put some wallpaper on a countertop? We might be surprised, but let's get into it. I absolutely love this. It looks so good already. But here's the thing. I was out here freestyling and had to come to the realization that this is a whole mathematical equation, and it's not a freestyle situation. At least not for me. Because, you know, I gotta count how much, and apparently I'm gonna need more, so I already literally just ordered some more off Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and undo this and wait until those get here Thursday, but it looks so good.
The next day.
Tell me why I forgot that I didn't have any bleach, and now luckily I had these, so I'm gonna end up having to try bleaching the knots with these, and I hope it works. Oh my god, it should be airing in like 30 minutes. So this was so runny, I didn't think it was good, because typically it's not that runny. When I opened the Cream of Nature, I saw this booster situation. It said blonding powder for ginger. Girl, I mixed that thing so fast with the volume 40, so this is what we're working with, and it looks like it's lifting, thank god. So my day is saved. Now I gotta go get some hair bleach. Yeah, I got a specific spoon that I use for this because I like pasting it on with the back of the spoon, you know. Yeah, so it worked. Close your eyes. Open. Okay, let's see the edges. Let's see the. Okay. Okay. I'm Y and you're Z.
I thought X was after millennial.
No, I think X is millennial. Because it's Z. It's Z after the millennials.
Hold on. Okay, so there's boomer. Is it not millennial and then Gen X and then Gen Z?
No.
It's
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R. Yo, I don't know.
I've been thinking
But
about this the
after
whole time.
boomer.
Whatever's above me is what I'm talking about. Whatever generation is one above me.
No, but let me tell you, your grandparents is boomer, your mom is X, I'm Y, and you're
Okay,
Z.
okay, I get it now. Okay, so millennial is
The next morning.
Good morning. It's Thursday. Still tired from yesterday. I got up, got straight to work. I did not stop working until it was bedtime. The ghetto. But such is adulting. So today I got work all day, one client, and I'm telling you, I'm dreading these braids. I want to stop doing braids. It just takes so much. So yesterday was rough. Today's about to be brutal, but we move. Yeah. So I'm gonna get some coffee because I'm gonna need it. And let's get to this money. Oh yeah, I switched it up a little bit, you know, not too crazy, some light. But I didn't really do my hair. I just like threw on one of my lace wigs, hence the hat. You know what I'm saying? If the wind blows, I'm gonna be exposed. I just drop bars. But yeah, that's what this is. Something light, something for the day, you know? Throw it to the back. So pretty. Remember, yeah, this is what we're working with. See how black my hair is?